Hi guys! Today I'll show you the most powerful strategies for binary options. Well, they allowed me to earn a little over 4,000 bucks in just a couple of hours of work at the Quotex. And today I'll show you all the strategies that I use in my trading in this video right now. Well, almost everyone who tried this strategy noted that it brought them a good income and almost no one lost their deposit. So today I'll start with just $2 and show you how it works. Well, I spent the whole day analyzing charts using various trading tools, and you'll see that today's trading session can be really amazing. And you can also see that there are many patterns in trading. So let's start our trading session. I want to add a Keltner channel indicator. Here I want to change the period to 24 in order to better see the good entry points. And I also want to add the stochastic oscillator indicator with its default settings. Well, I think that'll be enough. And here we see that the candlesticks cross the middle line of the Keltner channel, which gives us a signal that the price will go up. And the stochastic oscillator is at the 30 mark. It also shows that the price will go up. So my first trade will be here. As you can see, the price is still rising to the upper line of the Keltner channel, and all my trades are on a 1-minute time frame, and also the expiration time is 1 minute. So as you can see, the price has rebounded from the lower line of the Keltner channel indicator because there are some levels of supply and demand between which the price is traded. So that's why I know for sure whether the price will rise or fall, because the technical analysis tools, of course, and I can see the key levels. Well, it's very important. So guys, pay attention to the technical analysis, always keep in mind the structure of markets, and let's move on. Okay, let's work through some new situations. Let's move on to the next currency pair. And here on this currency pair, I see it's starting to approach the spot level. I think that now is the moment when I'll open a trade. Again, amazing profit. This is a candle with a short body. The body of the candle is almost missing, and the wicks are really long above and below this candle. Well, also the price has reached the support level for the up teens time, and as you see, the price has started to rise. It was very local pattern that told me about the local reversal. Thus, there are many features of the market. The market is constantly changing, and you should always be aware of the latest developments. So I recommend you to subscribe to my Telegram channel if you want to know more about trading and binary options. And here I also share working trading signals and strategies absolutely for free. You can find the link in the description for this video. Join us and let's get back to our trading session. This is an interesting situation. We see a strong bullish movement on this currency pair, and according to the stochastic oscillator, we see that the price has been at the upward level for a long time. So I think the price may go down right now. Well, that was really amazing. A really good entry point of 13 bucks is on my balance right now. It was an amazing deal. So let's go to the 3-minute time frame and analyze this trade. And here we see that the price is at the resistance level. You can see that the price is moving in downward direction when you see a clear pivot point. So let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. And here we see that the price continues to move down. Okay, now I want to remove these indicators and show you how the other indicators work, how they can be used in trading especially. And I want to add a moving average with a period of 200. This will allow us to determine which trend is on the chart, downward or upward. And I want to add the MACD indicator here with the default settings Okay, let's move on to the next currency pair. Let it be United States dollar and Egypt pound. Okay, on this currency pair we see that the candles are above the moving average. This shows us that the trend on the currency pair is upward and there's less volatile market here than in the previous currency pair. So let's move on to the next currency pair. Here we see that the candles crossed the moving average from the bottom up, which shows us a possible trend change. And I want to analyze the situation in the senior time frame. So let's switch, for example, to a 5-minute time frame. Okay, in this time frame we see a completely different situation. There's a local uptrend here, and if we connect all the maximum points here, we'll see that the price reaches this level and reverses. And now the price is at this level again, which shows us that the price will turn around. So let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. Okay, here I want to change the investment by $10 and open a down trade. Great, okay, good, I'm in profit. And as we can see from the MACD indicator, a red histogram begins to appear. And here I also see the double top pattern, and I think that the price will go down further to about this level. So yes, the situation is really good here, but unfortunately our United States dollar and Turkish lira have a really low payout percentage. So let's move on to the next currency pair. There's a low payout percentage here too, but okay. Let's trade here, and here we see that the price is moving in an ascending price channel, and now the price is at the lower level. So I want to change investments and open an upward trade here. Okay, great, another good deal. And here we can also notice, according to the MACD indicator, we see a green histogram. And as you see, Quotex offers a variety of currency pairs and platforms, so just choose currency pair with a good payout percentage so you can increase your deposit faster. And in this situation, I really want to switch to Euro Japanese yen because this currency pair has a much higher payout percentage. What do we see here? Here we see that all candlesticks are below the moving average, which shows that there is a downtrend on this currency pair. And if we draw an imaginary line, we'll notice that the price is at the local level. So I want to change my investments and open a trade down. Okay, excellent result. As we can see, the price reached the resistance level and continued to decline when it touched this line. According to the MACD indicator, we also see a red histogram, which also gives us a signal for a decrease. And my advice to you is to also be aware of financial news, what's happening with currency pairs. There are many resources on the internet where you can read the news. By the way, if you're interested in these resources, then you can subscribe to my Telegram channel, so you'll find the link on this video. There I publish this previous news, share trading strategies and absolutely free trading signals. And also you can make a really cool profit by knowing them. And now let's continue our trading session. And on this currency pair we see that the candles are below the moving average, which shows us that the trend has changed to a downward one. And according to the MACD indicator, we see a red histogram. So I want to change investments and open a trade down. Yes, $100 on my balance. Once again, amazing profit. And as you can see, as I predicted, the correction period has come right now. We see that this red candle is falling, and on the MACD indicator we also see a red histogram, which also gives us a signal for a decrease. and I want to show you how to use other indicators in trading. Let it be the alligator indicator and the stochastic oscillator indicator. Okay, this indicator shows overbought and oversold levels well, so I recommend you to use it in your trading. And now we move on to the next currency pair. And here we see, according to the stochastic oscillator, that the price has been at the oversold level for a long time, and here we can also see that the price is at the support level. So I want to change investments and open a trade up. Great, I'm in profit, so good. And as you can see, as I predicted, the correction period is coming right now. And since the price cannot move constantly in one direction, that's why there is this small upward rebound. Okay, let's move on to the next currency pair. And on this currency pair, we see confirmation on all indicators, so my upward trade will be here. A refund. Well, okay. And as we see an uptrend on this currency pair, according to the stochastic oscillator, we see that the price has pushed off from the 30 mark and is starting its upward movement. So let's see what happens on the next currency pair. Oh, there's a flat here. Now the price is at the resistance level, so I want to open a down trade here again at, let's say, 200 bucks. Great, my trade is winning again, and here the price has reached the resistance level. Well, I already have 380 bucks on my balance. It sounds crazy, but I earned this money just by trading binary options. Well, yes, I rely on technical analysis, but of course fundamental analysis is also very important. That's why in financial news you have to be up to date and know all the news. So let's move on to the next currency pair. The payout percentage is low here, but let's analyze the situation. Here we see that all three lines on the alligator indicator are looking down, and I think the price will continue to decline to about this level, and then it will go up. Well, that's why my trade will be here. Great, I'm in profit, and as we can see, the price continues to move up. Look, a stochastic oscillator has been at the oversold level for a long time, so the price should turn around. Let's see what happens on another currency pair. Here we see that the price continues its downward movement, and well, I don't see any entry points here. Okay, let's delete this currency pair and add another one. Let it be New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc. We also see an uptrend on this currency pair, and here we see the ascending triangle pattern. And now the price is at the upper level, so this is the resistance level. Okay, that's why I want to open a trade here. Great, I'm back in profit. And we can also notice that according to the stochastic oscillator, the price is at the overbought level. Well, that's why my trade down was here. Okay, let's look at a few more situations, and I think that will be enough. Well, let's move on to the next currency pair. And here we're probably still flat. Okay, I think in order to find out a good entry point, we have to wait for the price to reach this level. And I think my trade will be here right now. Unbelievable! As you can see, the price is starting to move up. I was able to predict the price reversal because my technical analysis is on top, but it was a good point. Let's see what happens on another currency pair. And what do we see here? It's quite a difficult situation. Here the lines on the alligator indicator intersect, and I want to open a down trade here. It was a really crazy decision, guys. Don't even do this. Please don't repeat my mistakes. Fortunately, I won, but it was risky enough. Okay, anyway, I'm lucky and I'm making a pretty good profit. So guys, I hope you'll definitely try these strategies. Join my trading community and leave your feedback in the comments. And I'm waiting for you in my community with free signals for your trading sessions and tons of useful information. See you in my other videos. Bye bye.